Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English literature. Today we are going to discuss about the exercises of lesson number 2, a helping hand, and the copy work is question answer. So now let's start with the first question, MCQ. Swaminathan did not want to go to school, so he imagined a stomachache. He said that he had a headache. He hurt his knees and he kept sleeping. He said he has a headache. When the father heard the account of the teacher's violence, he wanted to thrash the teacher himself. He sent Swami to school with a letter for the headmaster. It's true, to the headmaster. Then the third one. When Swami reached the school late, the teacher beat him up with a cane, scolded him badly, was very angry. None of the above. It is none of the above. Then the fourth one. See the fourth one. Swaminathan misbehaved as much as he could so that the teacher would beat him badly so that he would be thrown out of the class so that his friends would sympathize him with so that he could join a new school. It is so that teacher would beat him. Then the last one, Swaminathan should shouted at the top of his voice so that everyone could hear him, so that teacher should get very angry. It is true, very angry. This is your homework. First one has been solved here. It's your homework that Swaminathan's mother agreed to stay him at home. Second, third, fourth, fifth, you have to do with yourself. State whether the following sentences are true or false. Swaminathan completely refused to go to the school in Chitka. Yes, it is true. Then the second one, Swaminathan told the father that the teacher was kind and affectionate. False. Father gave Swaminathan letter for the headmaster. Yes, true. Swaminathan was happy at being beaten by the teacher. Yes, true. And the teacher Samuel was also the assistant headmaster. Yes, it's true. Then the match the following. It's a birth. It's a course. It's a word which we say in the same manner. It's a birth or a birth. First one is a birth. Birth. That means event of being born. It means event of being born. And the second is a birth. It means a bed in a train. Then course and course. One is your subject, that is the course. Lose and loose and root and root. Now the question answers. Helping hand. First question is Swaminathan hoped that an earthquake would reduce the school building to dust. Why? Answer is Swaminathan hoped that the earthquake would reduce the school building to dust because it was Monday morning and he did not want to go to school after a long weekend. Second question, Why was Swaminathan conscience stricken? Answer is Swaminathan was conscience stricken because he had used false words and lies about Mr. Samuels and how he would be strictly dealt by the principal as well as his father for his false words. The third question: why was the story about Samuel that circulated around students? The false story about Samuel that circulated around the student was that several years ago he had hit a student on his knuckles and made the boy smear the blood on his forehead. No one has ever seen Mr. Samuel do such a thing. The fourth question is: how did Swaminathan solve the problem of the letter? Swaminathan solved the problem of the letter by deciding to deliver it to the principal after the school got over. This would delay any kind of action that may be taken against Mr. Samuel. Then, the last question: how did Swaminathan do to provoke Samuel? Answer: Swaminathan Yes, Swaminathan began to behave in Mr. Samuel's classroom in order to provoke the teacher into hitting or punishing him. He spoke in loud voice, constantly interrupting Mr. Samuel. Continuously, he was disturbing Mr. Samuel. He put up an irrelevant questions and thus forced angry Mr. Samuel in canning him. So that's all for today's session. Students, write all these question answers in your copies and complete your book work exercises. We will meet in our next session with new topic with the new chapter. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.